Britney Spears has responded to her ex-husband Kevin Federline's claims that the star's Instagram content has impacted her relationship with their two sons. Per news.com.au, Spears says the accusation is hurtful. "It saddens me to hear that my ex-husband has decided to discuss the relationship between me and my children. As we all know, raising teenage boys is never easy for anyone," she says in an Instagram story. Spears' comments come after Kevin decided to speak up about his ex-wife and children after a decade of being close-lipped. They filed for divorce in 2006. In 2008, Spears was involuntarily placed under a conservatorship which restricted her from making basic decisions about her finances, career and personal life. Her father, Jamie Spears, controlled almost all aspects of her life through the legal arrangement. A judge terminated the conservatorship in 2021. Spears, whose Instagram presence is nothing short of iconic, TBH, defends her posts. "She isn't scared of a bikini pic or showing a bit of boobage, and after being controlled and monitored during her conservatorship for more than a decade, she says she should embark on doing more than going topless on the beach." He also claims the teens have chosen not to see their mother for months at a time, even though Britney bought a mansion that's not too far from where the Federlines live. "The boys have decided they are not seeing her right now. It's been a few months since they've seen her. They made the decision not to go to her wedding," Kevin says. Spears last posted a pic with her sons back in March 2021. Federline has been noticeably silent during Spears' struggle with the 13-year conservatorship placed on her. The Daily Mail reports that Federline believes the controversial arrangement saved his ex, and he says of his former father-in-law, "When Jamie took over, things got into order." He adds, "This whole thing has been hard to watch, harder to live through, harder to watch my boys go through than anything else. It's been tough." Sean Preston and Jaden currently live with Federline and his wife Victoria Prince. Federline's two kids, Corey, 20, and Caleb, 19, from a previous relationship, visit regularly. Federline and Prince also have two daughters, Jordan, 11, and Peyton, 8. According to the Daily Mail, Federline encourages the boys to talk about their mum with love and to understand the complexities in which her life has been mired over the years. Source: Getty Images. J. Merritt Film Magic Image. Getty Images. J.